Hi everyone, Darren Hunter here. This is how you can beat cheaper competitors by using virtual tours. Now, virtual tours will get you a quality tenant faster than, say, if the tenant is simply looking at boring photos. Now, if you can measure how long it takes on average using virtual tours to rent a property, then let's say the market average, and you should be able to get those stats through realestate.com.au and so forth. So for example, if you can show how you're renting property 2 weeks faster than the average market when it comes to renting property, because you're using virtual tours. Now, for every week a property is vacant, that's costing the owner 2%. So in fact, you're renting the property 4% faster than your competitors. Now, if they come in and say, well, Mr. Smith, we're cheaper and they're 1% cheaper than you, but they're taking 2 weeks longer to rent a property, what they've actually said is they're 3% more expensive because, of course, they're already 1% cheaper, but they're 4% more expensive overall, which means they're now 3% more expensive, keeping in mind for every week a property is vacant, it's costing about 2% of the owner's annual rental income. Alrighty. Of course, an owner wants best rent, best tenant in the fastest possible time. If you can show with stats, you can rent a property much quicker using virtual tours, you're the one that's going to get the business. What an awesome point of difference. Make sure you speak to Tom at Virtual Tours Creator.